So, have you wanted to copyright your landscape photos, but you're not quite sure how? Don't worry, I'm here to teach you. And it starts right now. Let's go! What's up, guys? Welcome back to NTLP. My name is Nick, and this is the place to be for everything landscape photography. So this one is going to be just a quick, short little video here. I've actually received a couple questions about copywriting images and watermarking images and so forth. So let me start by saying watermarking and copyright are kind of two different things. Watermark is to basically show your viewer who took the photo with your name or your logo on your photo. Copyright is within the metadata of your photo. So what I'll do is I'll link up my other video about watermarks somewhere here. You can definitely check that out. And long story short, social media use, I would use a watermark. On your website, I wouldn't put your watermark on it. It just kind of looks a little tacky in my opinion, but definitely for social media use, Facebook, Instagram, whatever social media platform you're on, definitely throw your watermark on there, and yeah, you'll be good to go. Okay, so let's jump into how to get your copyright metadata set up. All right, so let's hop over to Photoshop here. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on File, click on New. Now this doesn't really matter, you just need a blank template. So you can use a custom 1920 by 1080 or 1000 by 1000. It doesn't matter. You can even go 500 by 500. Let's create that nice little square. This square has nothing to do with it. You just need an untitled image. So what you're gonna do next is hop on over to that little file menu in the top left hand corner, scroll down to file info. Alrighty, so this is where you're going to fill in all of your information that you would like for your copyright. Alright, so under your basic, this is where you're going to put your name. So let's go Nick Taylor. All right, so next, after you type in your name for author, you're going to want to come down to this copyright status. Right now it's listed as unknown as default, so what you want to do is click that to copyright. Now copyright notice, what you're going to do is if you're on a Windows PC, you want to hold down the Alt key and press 0169. And let go of that Alt key. That little copyright symbol will pop up. If you're on a Mac, you want to hold and hold Option G as in giraffe, and that will also bring up the copyright symbol. So me being on a Windows-based computer here, or Windows PC, it's hold down Alt 0169, and that little copyright will come up, and then you can just add your name, NTLP, and then Nick Taylor landscape photography. Looks good. All right, so next what you want to do is you want to come down to IPTC. If this is not filled in with your name already, go ahead and put your name in there. If you want to add any of your contact info, such as your address, your city, province, postal code, country, phone number, email, website, definitely go ahead and do that. In my case, info@nicktaylorphotography.ca, and the website, nicktaylorphotography.ca. All right. So what you want to do now is right here, you click on this template folder, click on export. Now I already have one. You can name it to whatever your heart desires. In my case, I just put copyright NTLP. So what you do is you click save on that, Press cancel here. Close this out. All right. So now you're back to your original image that you were working on. In this case, this was shot at Elk Island Park at the bison loop. So there's a big loop there, and bison usually just graze and whatnot there. It's pretty cool. Okay, so you're done with editing your photo. It looks awesome. You're ready to go. Click File, click File Info. Right here, this is going to be your basic title and whatnot. So Pulse Productions is our wedding company. We do wedding photo and video. So that's why it's Pulse Productions Inc. here by default. So if you're wanting to change that, click down, or scroll down here to where it says Preferences, and then move over one to where it says Template folder. You want to hit Copyright, whatever you did or whatever you saved that exported file as, and then clear existing properties and replace with the template properties. Press OK. There we go. There's my name. There's copyrighted. There's the copyright symbol, NTLP, Nick Taylor Landscape Photography. And to double check, let's click on IPTC. There's my name. There's my email. There's my website. Press OK. That's it. And to verify, you should see the copyright symbol up in the title of your photo. Okay, so that's just for one photo. What if you have multiple photos that you want to copyright? Easy peasy. Fire up Bridge. It should come with your Adobe Creative Suite. So right here, you want to locate where all of your photos are. In my case, I'm already there. So we want to copyright both of these. So you can click and drag, or you can go Control A or to select all of them. And there's a great example there. I have one for social and one for my website. Website doesn't have my watermark on it, but the social one that I do share on all my social media platforms does have my logo watermark there. So awesome. Okay, so same thing as before. Click on, or you want to select all of the files that you want to copyright. Click on File, click on File Info, or Control I as a shortcut. And the same thing as we did in Photoshop. So right now, as default, Pulse Productions Inc. I don't want that because Pulse Productions Inc. didn't take this photo, NTLP did. So you want to click here where it says Template Folder, Copyright NTLP, clear existing properties and replace the template, or replace with the template properties. Press OK. Press OK. Done. Easy peasy. Now, if you were to go and find your edited photos, if you right click on it, click on Properties, and click on Details, it's right there. Author, Nick Taylor, copyright symbol, NTLP, Nick Taylor Landscape Photography. Boom! Easy peasy. Quick couple steps and your photos are copyrighted. Oh, yeah. What do you guys think about that? Ooh. Just had that made actually today. The time of filming is on Sunday. Local company here in Fort Saskatchewan, Fine Light Designs. I'll link their social media down below underneath here. Fantastic work. I absolutely love it. And they also do a whole bunch of other home decor and stuff like that. So make sure you guys definitely check them out. And if you're in Fort Saskatchewan, pick something up. So if you found this video helpful at all, maybe go down there, hit that little subscribe button, hit that little like button, hit that bell notification. Also follow me on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff, including my website and my shop. Links are in the description below. All right, I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's good. Good. Copyright your stuff, protect it. Make sure the world knows that you took that photo. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
you.